This is a very powerful multiple rocket launcher. The new AR-3 has the characteristics of long range and wide firepower coverage. Its export version of 300mm and 370mm rockets' effective range is limited under 300 km. For domestic version, its range far exceeds this. It adopts a modular design, which is also its biggest feature. This rocket launcher can be compatible with 300mm, 370mm and even 750mm rocket launches on the same launch platform. We can see that there are two different caliber rocket boxes on this vehicle. On the left is a 300mm rocket launcher. The one on the right is for 370mm rockets. They can actually be swapped with a 750mm rocket launch box. We can freely combine and change the launcher boxes according to needs. Its maximum road maneuvering speed can reach 60 km/h. Compared with other long-range multiple rocket launchers, its maneuverability is far better. It can be said that those who travel with this new AR-3 through the mountains and wading through the water are not a problem. And the system can work normally in the temperature range of -22 degrees to +55 degrees. The ability to adapt to the environment is very strong. AR-3 has a very high degree of automation, relatively simple operation, and the entire vehicle only needs 3 people to operate and complete the launch combat mission.
It weighs a total 45 tons, uses an 8x8 wheeled high-mobility chassis, and can travel up to 650 kilometers without refueling. It adopts a modular design, and its various rockets can be loaded into 2 self-carried multi-purpose modular boxes for storage, transportation, and launch. Each box can be separately transported, launched, and replaced. Such a modular design concept of the launch box was not realized on the PHL-03 rocket launcher. This new AR-3 also has the ability to co-launch, which can save the time, manpower, and resources required to replace ammunition. The 750mm rocket is a module composed of 2 ready-to-launch shells. According to reports from CCTV reporters interviewing Wang Tanshen, a sergeant of the 72nd Army's Long-Range Rocket Brigade, we learned that the 750mm rocket has a striking distance of up to 600 kilometers. It uses inertial navigation plus GPS guidance. You can also choose millimeter wave radar, or laser, or TV optical imaging, or infrared imaging and other terminal guidance. In the process of attacking the target, the missile body does not separate and can be maneuvered longitudinally, making it difficult for the opponent to intercept. For the long-range rocket brigade of our Army Legion, equipping 750mm large-caliber rockets itself also has important tactical and strategic significance. Even if the AR-3 heavy rocket launcher system is deployed on the deep inner side of the borders, it can also be quickly redeployed into controversial areas such as the western border. Such deployment where the enemy's artillery is unreachable will form a huge deterrent to the enemy's military camps, radar positions, command posts, armored clusters and other targets. It can strike enemy's sights over a long range. After the new upgrade of the ammunition types, the AR-3 can launch rockets, tactical missiles and anti-ship missiles at the same time. It can destroy high-value strategic targets such as enemy airports, command centers, logistics supply bases, and air defense firepower points.